This isn't looking very promising.
What do you need those for?
No. It's about to get real loud.
That's fine.
Blew my fucking shoes off, too. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Good, man. You?
What up, dude?
Nice to meet you. How's it going, fellas?
How's it going? All right, so you're a small block Civic, still small block, versus a, what is this? K24, turboed or pro charged?
It's
NA.
NA K24.
And what do you got?
A full bolt on. Small block Civic. There's a lot of bolts added.
K20 head. K24 with a K20 head.
Bunch of aftermarket bolts on there.
Yeah.
So bolt on versus bolt on. That's pretty fair.
Lots of hose clamps too. Like tons.
Napa or O'Reilly's?
O'Reilly's.
Any zip ties?
Couple.
That ain't bad.
Yeah, just a couple.
Bolt on versus bolt on.
Well, I put
Should be a close race.
Yeah.
That's just a couple years newer or older.
Yeah, I think it's a couple years newer actually.
Yeah, it's just got the newer headlights.
Yeah, that's a 7th gen.
This is an 8th gen, so they're pretty close.
Had to take the mufflers off because he decided to get $40
Behind the scenes. Are you scared yet?
Dude, I'm terrified.
What are we thinking here?
I'm gonna lose.
Are you going to turn the bottle on, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
I think you're going to have to.
It's a full bolt on bottle fed.
Yeah.
Can I see your
Oh, huh?
I could have done dog gears 1 through 4.
We'll go toward, or not big.
Yeah, head up and we'll just U-turn it back.
Towards El Paso. El Paso, Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we lost the GoPro on 16. So now we gotta play Frogger to get it back. Ooh. Is that it? Is it broke? Nope. Woo. Fuck. Oh, run.
Bag secured.
Oh. No. Oh, what? Then we got this guy.
Yeah, the fucking front one, the lens is all fucked up. I don't know how the fuck it came
The
up.
foxbody remains undefeated.
I heard a camera went Mach 7.
Oh, the camera did go Mach 7. Would you like to see it?
I would like to.
Yeah, we just had to stop on the side of 16 and pick it up.
Oh, it's fucking. That's not good. That's no good.
So we're gonna need a lens replacement.
Yeah, hit him with a warranty, dude. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
We're gonna have to do something about that because that's our most prized possession.
I agree.
Why'd you break it? Wait, is Timmy on there?
Yeah.
Timmy, why'd you break our camera?
Dude, why's your fucking suction cup suck so bad?
Dude, it's your Honda paint, I think. It sticks to the fox body just fine. And we all know the fox body goes way faster.
I need to paint my car in primer.
Yeah, just do a little primer job on it and you'll be fine. All right, battle of the slow cars. Bro, Timmy's barely pulling on the pilot. No way.
Down in the pilot?
You were holding it down. You were holding it down. Timmy,
Dude, I know.
are we going to the dealership?
That bitch got 3 rows, too. 3 rows in the sun.
Dude,
Hey, get your light.
dude,
Get your light. That blew it up. It's up on the pilot.
dude. What's going on, man? We can't be out here beating pilots by a bumper, Timmy.
Amen.
I'm just confused. Did G&G Performance build this?
No.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
look at racing.
Oh, well, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Why isn't it fast? You didn't take him the right parts. That fucker's hotter than a thought.
That ain't that bad,
As hot as a thought.
Dude, you know how hard it is to find fucking cluster granite trees?
So you don't know. Why does it do that?
Without pulling off the fucking, you have to literally pull the column off.
So you don't know how much boost it's hitting right now?
I have gauges. Yeah. Huh? I have gauges, but I don't have a mount for them.
Fuck them out, dude. Sometimes your steering column like I did.
So you don't have a boost gauge?
I own
Like
one.
you don't know what? Okay, but you don't know what boost it's at, right?
I'll tell you if you got a boost.
Well, it's a sad day for the Civic. The pilot come out and showed out. Foxbody showed out. We gotta figure out what's going on with Timmy's car.
This one, the one that you can see from
'Cause this
there,
thing is just getting waxed left and right. And I think he has more money in his car than anybody.
hot side's over here to the left. Passenger side.
What?
That one should be good. I fucked you. I
What is beeping, bro?
Is
think we lost the race car on the way here.
Yeah, where'd Dax go?
I think he went home to fix his car.
I thought he was coming. He said he's coming here. What is that beeping, bro? Oh, someone's calling you.
Oh.
I was like, what the? So we get back from drinks, and Timmy's car's on the lift. No, you can sit in it. Just put it on the floor. Actually, you can buy that.
I was gonna sit.
You want to buy it?
I was gonna sit
For sale.
on the tires.
Just sit on the tires.
Jesus Christ.
Daddy long legs.
This thing kind of fucks. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, buy it. That thing would be sick in the Evo.
It literally says,
Are we finding anything?
We think the intercooler boot.
Yeah, feel that. Feel that. It's fucking it wiggles like crazy.
What are those scratches from? You guys? Or is it hitting on something? Huh? 400. What I paid for it? Dead ass. That's what I paid for. I swear to God.
Take the nightmare I gave you on CS:GO off.
Oh my
Give it
God,
to me for $375. Okay.
dude.
I could use this.
It's a dope seat.